Meron na ho kaming mga leads na nakuha nitong nakaraang 3 araw. So pagdating po ng Lunes, yung aming opisina, makikipag-ugnayan po kami dun sa isa pang opisina kung saan namin ibibigay yung mga leads na nakuha namin para sila yung bumaybay kung saan patutungo yung leads na yun. Remember, we only got 161 out of those 1,000 kasi nga po, pagdating nga namin doon, wala na sila, di ba? So we're still trying to do the necessary coordination as to the investigation sapagkat hindi ho papayag yung komisyon na hindi namin mahanap kung sino yung nag-leak, no? I would respectfully disagree with that assessment, no? Remember that all the evidence that we returned to the court, that we presented to the court as during the return of the search warrant were based on legitimately obtained search warrants. So we did not go beyond, over and above, what was legally authorized by us by the court. By the way, hindi ko na kwento sa inyo, there was a time, no, na nag-raid kami. Paranaque yata yung may cover, no, nung scam farm na yon. Pagdating nung operatiba ng DOJ IACAT, Bagcor, PNP, and PAOK, nandun na po yung corporate lawyers. Nag-aabang na. Sabi ng corporate lawyer, kanina pa ho kami rito, bakit ngayon lang kayo? So obviously, there was a leak. Obvious yung leak somewhere.